Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, I've got a really nice 67 SS396 Chevelle. Truly better than most of them out there, and I'll tell you all about it. If you go to volocars.com, you get all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But for right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin. I say it's exceptionally nice. I'm around cars all the time, and just right away I walked up to it. The gaps are spot on this car. Square and flush. It's aero straight. It's got just enough patina. You can tell the difference. The front seats are brand new. The back seats are original. The bezels on the dash are original. Nothing's beat up. Don't take it the wrong way. But I'm saying there's just enough patina in places to let me know it's a nice, original Survivor type car. Shows 44,000 miles on the odometer. I have nothing to say that's original, but looking at the car, if someone said that was the actual miles, I wouldn't doubt it. And I didn't even get to the best part. It is a real SS396, which is verified right in the VIN. It's a 138. It has its numbers matching, VIN number match, 360 horse 396 motor. That's a rare, desirable motor. Its numbers match to this car. It's an Atlanta, Georgia built car, so it's a southern car. The Atlanta tags have a little bit more information on there. It says right on the tag it's a factory 4-speed car. Now this 4-speed's been taken out and upgraded to a Tremec 5-speed. They even use the original style chrome shifter and the reverse lockout. It also has its original 410 posi rear end. So numbers match motor, rear end, has an upgraded trans, but it was born a 4-speed. The other neat part about this car, it's a factory tuxedo black. It's a triple black car. So it's a very special car. I think it's exceptionally clean from the perspective of it's a good, honest, straight car. It's in beautiful shape, but it's not off the frame, nut and bolt restored, but it's a really nice car. And there's a lot of people that really appreciate a good, honest car. This is it. So yeah, looking down both sides, it's straight as an arrow. And again, the gaps, and this hasn't been through some high-end restoration where they made the gaps right. I think this car's always been just taken care of and not hit, not abused. I mean, this is spot on right here. I mean, perfect gaps, amazing gaps. The paint is polished out like glass. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some smears. We just pulled it in from the cold outside, and once it got in here, it needs to be wiped a little better. It's got rally wheels. They're disc brakes in front. Vinyl top looks new. Bow tie mirrors, door handles look new. This chrome pillar is original, and they're usually pitted or worn. It's excellent. Windshield's nice and clear. All the trim is really nice on the car. All of that looks really good. It has power steering and power disc brakes, so two desirable options. And again, it is a 396 360 horsepower, VIN number matched on the block. All the original manifolds, everything looks correct in here. It does have HEI ignition, and it does have an aluminum radiator. But it's got the shroud and the clutch fan and the right valve covers. Wiper motor looks new. Has the correct power steering for this car with the remote reservoir. The interior is real nice. Door jambs are nice. The lip on the edge of the door is clean. All the weather strips and window seals are really good. The seat covers fit really nice. The seat backs are really nice. Console's in excellent shape. Console. I know I say console. Super clean metal trunk. I don't see any patches. It's got a spare. It's got the jack. It doesn't have a mat, but it's just a nice, clean, open trunk. Under the lid here is glossy. The weather strip is soft. All the windows roll up nice, fit like a new car. You can see the shifter. They did make it a 5-speed, but it looks original. It has the factory in-dash gauges. Let me fire it up for you. Underneath the car is real clean. Again, it's got that original, clean, honest feel, not frame off, but all nice metal. Motor is perfectly smooth up here. Click shut. Nope, not quite hard enough. I'll be honest, we just got this car in. I've got to do more investigating and homework and crawling around it, but I know cars, and right off the bat, instantly, I knew this was a good one. The more I looked at it, my guess is being confirmed as I get closer and look at it more. It's checking out really nicely. So a 396, 360 horse with a factory 410 posi and a triple black car. That's a pretty desirable piece right here. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer your questions. We'll walk you through the process of shipping, financing, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these cars as we put them out there. So again, visit volocars.com. I'll fill in all the blanks. I'll research this car and I'll put the full story on our website. Thanks for watching.